Hello my dear students, today we are entering the exciting stage of mulberry silkworm rearing where all our hard work truly pays off, the harvesting of cocoons. This is the moment when those little silk spinning artists have finished their majestic masterpiece and it's time for us to carefully collect the nature's golden treasure. But before we begin, there is an important skill to master, that is sex determination of cocoons, because knowing whether the cocoon houses a male or female pupa is key to planning the next generation of healthy silkworms. Then comes the harvesting process, a delicate yet rewarding task where precision and timing ensure maximum quality and yield of silk. So let's explore how science, skill and patience come together in this final fascinating step of cocoon production. Introduction. Harvesting silkworm cocoons is one of the most crucial and rewarding stages in silk production. It begins once the silkworm larvae have fully matured, spun their beautiful cocoons and entered the pupal stage. At this point, proper harvesting techniques ensure silk of the highest quality. Sex determination of cocoons helps breeders plan and manage the next generation. Let's explore the fascinating details. Why determine the sex of cocoons? Both male and female cocoons yield silk. Breeding advantage. Males are often preferred for breeding because they emerge earlier and mate more effectively. Females are larger, produce slightly heavier cocoons, but may take longer to emerge. Knowing the sex helps in selecting the best breeding stock, planning and maintaining healthy silkworm generation. Methods of sex determination. By observing shape and size, which is common field work, male cocoons are smaller and more compact. They are pointed or oval in shape. Their surface feels tighter due to dense spinning. Female cocoons are larger and rounder. They are broader. Their plump appearance, their surface feels softer and slightly loose because of extra space inside. Scientific method, which is a commercial settings, X-ray imaging, which provides highly accurate sex determination, especially used for precision is crucial, where precision is crucial for large-scale breeding program. Harvesting process of cocoons. Once silkworms finish spinning their cocoons and enter the pupal stage, it's time for one of the most important steps in sericulture, which is harvesting. This must be done at the right time to protect the silk's length and quality. Let's break it down. Ideal time 7 to 8 days after the silkworm finishes spinning. Why so precise? By this time the larva has transformed into a pupa but is not ready to emerge. If delayed, the moth will break a hole in the cocoon to escape, cutting the silk filament and lowering quality. Preparation before harvest. Check mountages. Inspect spinning frames carefully. Ready cocoons will be firm and tightly woven. Storage area. Prepare a clean, dry place to keep harvested cocoons safe from moisture, which can spoil silk quality. Manual harvesting, common in small scale sericulture, removing from mountages, gently handpick cocoons without damaging them. This ensures the silk filament stays unbroken for reeling. Sorting, separate by size, shape and quality. Best quality large well-formed cocoons for fine silk, lower quality or deformed used for coarse silk or breeding purposes. Mechanical harvesting used in large-scale farms. Cocoon harvesting machines detach cocoons quickly and sort them by size and quality. Saves time but requires specialized, costly equipment and structured setup. Preservation of cocoons for silk reeling, stifling, killing the pupa inside to prevent moth emergence. Methods: sun drying, hot air drying, steam treatment, etc. done carefully to avoid damaging delicate silk fibers. For breeding, store in a cool, dry environment. Allow pupa to develop into adult moth for mating and egg laying, ensuring the next generation of silkworms. Post-harvest handling, silk reeling. Unwind the long silk filament from the cocoon to produce high-quality silk threads. Quality control, handle cocoons gently at every stage. Good handling means better silk, and higher market value. So my dear students, today we uncovered the final and most rewarding stage of sericulture, harvesting of cocoons. We learned how sex determination at the cocoon stage helps breeders plan future generations, selecting the best males and females for strong, healthy silkworm lines. We also explored the harvesting process from identifying the perfect timing to preserve silk quality to carefully collecting, sorting and preserving cocoons for either reeling or breeding. By mastering these silks, we can ensure maximum yield, maintain top quality silk and keep the cycle of silk production strong. Thanks for learning with me. If you enjoyed this session, like, share and subscribe and get ready for more fascinating journeys into the world of biology.